Okay, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm just going to make a delicious meal that's something I like making. I use a crock pot. I use sauerkraut, pork chops, a little bit of brown sugar, and a little bit of pepper because I like my pepper. I use 2 pounds of sauerkraut. Now, I don't add any juice to this because it has its own juice inside of it, so that's why I like using it. And then, of course, I've got pork chops here with bone in it, and I got boneless pork chops here, sirloin pork chops here. And then, of course, the brown sugar. Real simple meal. It doesn't take much to do it. So, you know, if you want to make this meal and then take off and go someplace and come back, I think it takes around 5 hours or so. You can look and see. Depends on, you know, how big your crock pot or wherever it's set on. We set ours on high when we do it. It takes about 5 hours. I like it really well cooked. So, okay, first thing we're going to do is we add sauerkraut to this. Now, if I put a little bit in it, it's great, and then, so, a little bit like this. So we got a little bit of sauerkraut in here, and then take a couple of your sirloin, and just kind of put them down inside, okay? Put them down in there. I use 4 of them. I like to put as much as I can in there, okay? And then we want to put a spoon or so of brown sugar. Of course, you got to break it up and kind of just sprinkle it all over the pork chops and the sauerkraut. So a little bit more. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some more sauerkraut in it to put over top of those pork chops there. Now, it really helps it cook better when you do it this way. And then spread it over top like that. This is one of my favorite meals. I really like this stuff. Okay, now we got the regular pork chops. Now these have bones in them, so I'll show you here real soon what to do. Because you got to watch the bones when you eat them. I can put a couple in here. Throw a little bit of sour cream or sauerkraut on it. And then throw a little bit more brown sugar, maybe a spoon or so. Kind of spread it around in there. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, then the last pork chop, because I put a bunch in. I like mine filled up, clear up. Put as much as you can. If you're gonna make a meal, make a meal. There you go. So here, spread it out. There you go. And a little bit more brown sugar. We're going to go crazy with it today. Gives it that really good taste with the pork chops. And then the pepper will be for later, so that's all we had to do. Okay, let's turn this baby on high. Put the lid up on top of it. And we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the pork chops and sauerkraut. It's been sitting probably about, I think, cooking around 5 hours, something like that. And what? My cat's trying to get my attention. I don't have anything for you right now. You don't eat this. But as you can see, how it's cooking here, and it really looks delicious. It smells good, and I'll definitely leave down in the link down there what I have in it, and you can check it out. But I've been picking out some of the bones in it. That's the only thing you have to really watch is the bones. If you put pork chop that has the bones in it, you don't have to. You know, I just whatever I pick up, whatever I can afford to buy, put it that way. Look at that. That's just delicious. Smells really good. I'm gonna give it a try here. And I like cooking as long as I can because it makes it real. The pork chops, it makes it real tender. They fall apart. I'll try a little sauerkraut with it. Real good. The thing I see about this is that when you put the pork chops in with the sauerkraut, the meat from the pork chops give the sauerkraut that flavor. You know, if you don't like sauerkraut, and then also putting in the brown sugar Gives it a little bit of a sweet taste, and it's great. Kids will love it too. But if you want, like I said, it's a very quick meal. I didn't add any water. I just add whatever juice, and you can see the juice. I mean, the juice it's made itself, just tons and tons of juice in it. So I didn't have to add water. Some people add water. Just put it in a crock pot, turn it on high, and let it go. The easiest meal you can make. So we're gonna pick some more bones out of this thing. Definitely don't want the bones in it, and we're gonna eat this. So okay. If you got any comments, just leave them down below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. And thanks for watching. What do you want? You don't eat pork chops. You like fish.